Issue that I usually have is that I don't get a lot of sunlight on my face over here. But apart from that, I love watching sunsets. Okay, so a quick recap. I just came back home after meeting like one of my friends from yoga. Like I met that auntie. She was not feeling really well, so that's why we got the flowers. And before that I had like a dermatologist appointment, so I went for that because some product is not suiting. Like I can like figure out what is going wrong with the product or what particular ingredient is not suiting me. So we're still on the testing period to test what exactly is not suiting me or what am I allergic to. So right now that thing is going on, so you can see like a lot of breakouts around my face. And by the way, I got my nails done. I'm not sure if you can see the exact nails that I've gotten done. This time I went for cat eye nails because that has been in the trend since quite a long time and I didn't try it. Last time I went for mocha brown, before that I went for metallic red, and now I've realized that apart from mocha brown, most of the nail paints that I got in, they don't go with all of my outfits. That is like an issue, so I've realized that thing now. So I wanted something that is nude but also something that would go with all of my outfits.
The next day.
So I made shakshuka finally. I've been seeing so many people try it out. I don't know if the khagina recipe that Aditi Rao Hydari had also mentioned is the same or not, but it looked the same. But let me just tell you, the shakshuka was so good. If you're asking about the recipe, it was super easy. You didn't have like a lot to do in it. But even if you want like a detailed recipe, I'm gonna attach all of those channels down there. I've referred to like 3 to 4 channels and then made shakshuka. This is particularly for people who love having this during breakfast. But the thing with us is that this has like a lot of procedure. Having so many masalas early in the morning is not possible. So I made it for dinner, but probably even if I had to make it for breakfast, I would eliminate all of the spices and probably just add in some haldi and some coriander powder. Baki garam masala, red chili powder and all are not at all good, especially in the morning if you have it. So yeah, do give it a try. I'm sure that you're gonna like it. और अमूल का एक चोको बार भी चाहिए. Hi guys, it is the next day. I have to go for the shoot today, so I'm gonna quickly do my makeup because I've already shown you what all happens in the shoot, so that is not something that I'm at. My base, like I've done my skincare, now I'm gonna start doing my base using this one from Milani. It preps your skin really well. So it's a primer, it's a makeup fixer, it's a setting spray, all 3 in 1. There's a lot I wanted to talk about. Like I really wanted to try a lot of different things, but I wasn't sure. Like, I'm planning to put more long form content, although like I don't have a lot of content ideas, but I still plan on putting them, but end up putting shorts because obviously the reach in shorts is much more. But what I've seen is mostly people nowadays keep saying that this is not good, that is not good, but I have realized that whenever I try to follow trends or whenever I try to follow what predictions turn out to be, it just doesn't somehow match or somehow just fit in. So right now I'm using the color corrector from MAC. Like it's not a color corrector actually, I got it as a concealer, but lately I've realized that it is like best for a color corrector and then probably using a highlighting concealer. It's way darker. You know, you won't believe most of my vlogs are like 25 to 30 minutes long, and I cut short them to 10 to 12 minutes or probably 13 minutes max. I don't stretch it beyond that because I feel that people are not going to watch it. But then I see creators posting 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 30 minutes of videos, and still their subscribers are like, you know, we still feel that you can post more, or please post long videos. This is the reason why I don't sit over here. There are so many birds chirping like continuously, and it affects my videos. See. So yeah, that was my little update on what I want to do ahead. I hope that you guys like my decision. I'm gonna do my eye look over my eyes. The other day I was reading and people were like, a lot of people constantly telling me about, oh, it's so easy for you, and you know, you're living your dream, it's so easy and you're so happy and your life is so all good and everything. And I was like, girl, you have no idea what you're talking about. Not that like I am against these people, because obviously every occupation has its own pros and cons, but what people actually do not realize is that the pressure is 10x, because you are constantly answerable because you have decided to take up this profession for yourself. It's like a no-brainer that even for people who are following their passion or who are on their way of achieving it, have a very very tough time doing these things. I don't know what people feel कि अच्छा बहुत ही easy होता है या ये होता है वो होता है. Can you just shut up? Yeah, he understood, or she understood. There are people who are like, you know, we don't love our work but we still have to go because that's our source of living. And I'm like that's the same for me. Like, even I earn from this profession, but the thing is that you have a place to go every day. We don't have this every day. We have it very rarely. Like, whenever it happens, you get like a very good shoot once in a while. Apart from that, you get like small shoots wherein you have to manage and go by it. And then there are days like when you get it, it's like a steady flow. You get constantly back to back opportunities, and when you don't get it, it's again a steady flow when you don't have opportunities and you're just blank and you're just all stressed कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्या issues है, क्या problems है. But from an outer perspective they feel कि oh, she is living the best life, she is doing this, she is doing that. But nobody actually realizes कि बहुत सारे factors होते हैं, and there's so much of uncertainty in this profession. ये तो मज़े कर रही है? No, I'm not doing, like, I'm not having a lot of fun, let me just tell you, because there's so much to figure out in your life, because there's so much of uncertainty. You need a lot of backups, you need different sources, you need contacts, you need to be at different places. Again, it's not like your comfort zone. One day you're on one set, the other day you're on a different set. Now I'm gonna go because I'm getting very late. I just have 15 minutes and I have to iron as well my clothes. But yeah, that was my makeup look. I'm only going to change the lipstick during the shoot. What do you think about my outfit? I've tried doing something new this time. I've worn my waistcoat over my red shirt, tucked it in with black trousers. This is not me, but I gave it a shot and I actually loved it, how it's looking. And yeah, I've put on a little bit of weight so I can feel it over here in my arms. But I'm going to lose all of it super soon. Let's do a quick what's in my bag. So this is my bag: a lipstick, a perfume, a pen just in case, sanitizer, 3 outfits that I need for the shoot, oops, my water bottle, wallet, and my dabba. It's a mess. Now you know why I need such a huge bag. So I'll see you after shoot now. Bye. So hi guys, I just came back from the shoot and now I had my dinner as well. Removing my makeup. The acne is so painful right now. Like, I tried removing, I was whole day on the shoot and the acne was just flaring up and it was just paining a lot. I don't know why, but yeah, for 2 to 3 days I have to bear with the pain. I'm quickly removing my makeup. As much as I love and enjoy wearing makeup, I equally enjoy removing it. It's like such a relief once you get rid of all of the makeup and you just get your face wash done. Such a relief.
Alluded to it whilst I was talking about the importance of batting well first. That in itself speaks to the parity across both teams. RCB 196.
The next day.
My face is so red in the morning and it's also looking puffy, so I'm using an ice pack over it. This is, by the way, my outfit that you can see right now. This looks formal as well, but also looks very casual. So I love how it looks. I'm gonna use this. Like, I also want to get new formal wears as well. Let's see. Also, I got this silicone suction that I said, I believe I said last time. So this is perfect for YouTube videos because it sticks directly like this. But when I use it for Instagram or something like this, it doesn't work really well. Like, I don't know why, but it doesn't work. It doesn't stick. It comes off. And it's like a waste of time because I have to continuously touch my phone and keep it in position. And what's the use of the suction then? So yeah, that's a disappointment. I also have to organize my bed. It looks, by the way, very, very messy. I have a lot of things to organize and my study table counter as well to organize. But yeah, apart from that, that's my bathrobe. And I also want to organize my wardrobe. Like, if you can see, my wardrobe looks messy right now. So probably I'll be organizing that tomorrow now that I have time. So yeah, I said I do have this one particular section that I want to get rid of absolutely. None other than this. So this has all of the makeup brushes. Now I realized actually that this has too many makeup brushes that we never even use. Like, honestly speaking, initially we weren't using like a lot of makeup, so we had those minimal brushes, and I realized there are a lot of useless brushes like these. तब का ट्रेंड था, माई मॉम गॉट दिस, तब बहुत सारे लोग इसको ऐसे यूज़ करते थे. आई डोंट नो ये कैसे चलता है, ये कैसे वर्क करता है. दिस वाज द फाउंडेशन ब्रश. दिस आई गेस इज़ द कंसीलर ब्रश. चीज़ के लिए है, ये ब्लश के लिए है शायद. मतलब सब एक ही तरीके से है. और ये आई डोंट नो हाउ टू इवन यूज़ दिस. कौन से ब्रांड का मुझे वो भी नहीं पता.
A few moments later.
I didn't vlog for the last 2 days because I didn't have anything to show. Today I'm actually going out with my friend, and probably in the evening I might go to a mall, not sure. And today is another RCB match. That means I have to get back home early to watch the match. So yeah, that's the itinerary for the day. I'll see you soon. बहुत खड्डे थे यहाँ पे.
The next day.
So we've come to Smart Bazaar and I am looking out for some groceries and essentials. So let's see क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे. हैदराबादी वाला ना, हाँ वो ले लेते हैं. हाइड एंड सीक चाहिए क्या? नहीं. डार्क फैंटेसी खा सकते हैं. ये वाले सेक्शन में आने में अलग ही मज़ा आता है. ऑल्दो आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू बाय फ्रॉम दिस, बड़ा अलग मज़ा आता है. स्पेशली द बेकिंग वाला जो कॉर्नर है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन लाइक अ वेसल बेकिंग का, सो प्रॉबली आई एम गोना मेक इट सून. मम्मी मुझे चिढ़ा रही है कि आई बॉट इट इतना, मतलब बोल बोल के बट मैंने कुछ भी नहीं बनाया है. बट आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक समथिंग. सो लॉन्ग हम लोग कब से बोल रहे हैं एयर फ्रायर लेना है, बट वी आर नॉट लाइक मेकिंग अप माई माइंड फॉर इट. मतलब ऐसा हमेशा लगता है कि लेना है, बट देन हम रुक जाते हैं. कभी इट इज़ द स्पेस, कभी इट इज़ की बेटर प्राइस मिल जाएगा, कभी इट इज़ की नीड नहीं है इतना, हम कुछ खाते नहीं है. बट देन फिर लगता है ले ही लेते हैं एंड देन वी स्टिल कि हाँ बाद में देखते हैं. सो दिस इज़ लाइक द थर्ड टाइम वी आर डिक्लाइनिंग. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी आर डेफिनेटली गोना टेक इट. Hi guys, I don't even remember what day it is, but first of all I'm not feeling very well. You can decode it from my voice itself. I have got some like cough, cold and throat pain, etc. I don't know, it's because of the sudden weather change and there's so much of humidity in Mumbai. Then over Pune, like it's not that humid but it's quite hot, so then AC, non-AC, AC, non-AC, it becomes very difficult. But anyways, I'm back home right now and tomorrow's my friend's wedding, and whenever I have to go attend a special occasion I get acne, I am moody, I'm cranky, my health is not doing well. This is like an every time thing. But tomorrow I definitely want to attend the wedding, so I haven't figured out what to wear yet and what all accessories I should carry and if I do have it or not. So let me just quickly decode my outfit so that tomorrow I don't have like a chaos going on, because I do intend on shooting like a lot of content tomorrow, and it's a morning wedding, so I have to be there on time as well. So I don't know how much I can achieve given on my health as well. So if I feel good I will definitely shoot, otherwise someday later. But yeah, let me just quickly show you what I'm wearing. There are so many heavy outfits with me, but now जब मुझे काम में आ रहा है I can't even find one. I really am thinking of renting outfits as well. मतलब it is such a chaos. मैं इतने सारे heavy outfits खरीदती हूँ and I never even use it. मतलब rarely I ever use it. I don't go for a lot of weddings. और इतना कुछ ट्रेडिशनल इवेंट्स नहीं होते कि have to wear these heavy lehengas and plazo sets and कुर्ती सेट्स स्टिल मेक सेंस. मतलब कभी ना कभी तो यू कैन वेयर इट, बट ऐसे लहंगाज वगैरह तो इट इज़ अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. आप इतने पैसे दे के खर्चा करके यू बाई दीज थिंग्स और वो ऐसे ही पड़े रहते हैं फॉर ईयर्स इन योर वार्डरोब. सी दिस आउटफिट, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वाज प्लानिंग ऑन. I wore this outfit in 2020 1 November, like for Diwali. 2021 की दिवाली पे मैंने पहना था. उसके बाद मैंने इसकी शक्ल भी नहीं देखी है. लाइक आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर उसके बाद मैंने कब पहना होगा. हाँ, एक शूट के लिए मैंने उसी के तुरंत नेक्स्ट मंथ पहना था. उसके बाद 2 साल से ये इसके अंदर ही है. आई जस्ट होप दैट दिस फिट्स मी. मतलब आई डिड पुट ऑन लाइक अ लिबरा वेट, सो आई एम थोड़ा सा नर्वस इफ दिस विल फिट मी. आई जस्ट होप कि ये फिट आ जाए. एंड अगर ये फिट हुआ तो देन आई लुक आउट फॉर द एक्सेसरीज. लेट्स सी, दिस इज सच अ टास्क, यू नो, ये ट्रायल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the trial directly. आप लोग कल ही देख लेना. You won't believe what just happened. It didn't fit. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट है, बट द जिब वॉज थोड़ा सा टाइट. एंड आई रिमेंबर दिस वॉज अ सेमी स्टिच्ड लहंगा दैट आई हैड परचेस्ड एट दैट पॉइंट. तो तब मैंने उसके अल्ट्रेशंस करवाए थे और थोड़ा और एक्स्ट्रा अल्टर भी करवाया था. सो दैट एक्स्ट्रा जो अल्टर आई हैड डन, आई हैव टू रिमूव दैट. आई डोंट वॉन्ट द लहंगा टू लुक वेरी टाइट ऑन me. So for that I am removing that extra alter that I had done at that point. This is the blouse and यहाँ पे मैंने alter extra यहाँ पे करवाया था. These 2 lines जो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे and the other side. तो ये जो 2 lines किए हैं I'll be removing that so that it looks good. But अगर ये निकालने के बाद it looks very loose from the back, then I'll have to ditch this lehenga and wear something else. Hoping that this works because I really want to wear this lehenga. This is the perfect lehenga. ज़्यादा over भी नहीं है and not very subtle as well. It comes in between. So I want to stick to this, but let's see. Like I can't do anything about it. So let's just hope कि the fitting works really well.
The next day.
So I just came back from the wedding. It was really good and बहुत अच्छा लगा अपने दोस्तों से मिलके. I met all of my friends after a very long time. Not everyone, like 2 or 3 of them I met, and it was a good occasion, sweet, simple kind of occasion. And yeah, I wasn't feeling really well, but after going over there, the vibe was so good. Like automatically I started feeling better. So I'm glad that I went to the wedding because I felt good. I enjoyed my own company. I spent a lot of time with myself and it was good. Like I enjoyed. So I actually forgot to take an end for this video. So yeah, that was it for this monthly vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. It was a very chit chat, get ready with me kind of video as well, and tips and bits of what I did particularly in the month of April. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy watching this so that I can bring in more such interesting vlogs. And yeah, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.